I think all of us understand the experience of working in a silo in an office by yourself. And so we really wanted to create a space where people can come together, learn from each other, share ideas, and expand their vision of what's possible.
This is a chance for me to talk to people from Louisiana, North Carolina, Virginia, different areas who are promoting similar type products but in a different market. This gives me a tool to look at my own destination with brand new eyes.
A year and a half ago, I made an investment to do a 5-minute video. That video is still sitting on my laptop. It's been intimidating and it's like I didn't have a real direction. Well, now I can really take that digital asset and do something with it.
We really wanted to make what they learn applicable so that they leave with some tools that really allow them to really take that next step, go to that next level, try something they haven't tried before.
Every speaker that I've listened to at this conference, I always get such valuable information and research to take back. It's just one of those conferences that you have to be a part of.